Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and zip files using app called Rar on Oppo Reno 8 Lite. So in order to do this you'll need to get this app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now let's find the file that we want to unpack, and mine is located in DCIM and then camera. Here's the pictures.rar and I'm gonna unpack it. Now there's actually multiple ways you can unpack this RAR file. First one is to simply press on the RAR file here, enter the password if the files are encrypted, click OK, and you get the access to this file. You can choose which files you want to unpack or unpack everything. Now the second way to unpack it is to select it right here. You can do that way with multiple RAR files. So for example, if there would be 3, you can select 3 of them. Now click on this arrow pointing up like this, and you'll be able to unpack it as well with any other RAR file. So let's just do it normal way. Simply click on this RAR file. We already put in password, so we have access to it. Now let's select each file that we want to unpack, or if you want to unpack everything, click on this arrow without selecting any. Now we can change extraction options, and the first one is to click on browse and pick destination where the files will go. So I want my files to go to movies, like this, click OK. Now let's change the unpacking setting, like ask before overwrite, overwrite without prompt, or skip existing files. You can enable to keep broken files, do not extract paths or display extracted files, and of course you can also disable all of the settings. So now let's have all of them enabled, click OK. Our files will be unpacked. Now we can actually move to the movies folder, and here's the 3 pictures that we've just unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.